Katanat Pulit jong Jingshah Meghalaya kala yo biang sa ars pa Khublei Ngut ki Pulit Constable hadian pigila Pyndep ke Jingshah Hikai bekerpang hakabede bat kumno ban bat ki Atiar yele ban let ye kuntma ban penlong ke Jingkenra bat kumjo ru halor ki an ki kanun bat ki wei hakajaka a Jing Hikai keberan 4 MLP Battalion Sohpian Nongstony kita ki ars pa Khublei Ngut ki Pulit ki bala Pyndep ye ke Jingshah Hikai ki kenthop shispa khandai Khublei Ngut ki recruit constable bat khat prang ngut ki followers Hakatay kasngi, kakong ida sisa nong rang IPS kabalong ka Director General of Police ka Jalak, kalalong kum kakong san bat shimru ya ka benta ban ay Khublei ya kitay ki arspa Khublei Ngut ki Constable, haka passing out parade kabalong hini kasngi ka sitarek naitung arja arpusaw, hakatay ka jaka ay Jing Hikai. Nakaliang kakong san kala ay Khublei kerpang ya ki arspa Khublei Ngut ki Constable, 8 batch recruits Constable, ki bala Pyndep ya ka training haka training center po 4 MLP Battalion Sohpian. Hakatay kasngi lay don lang ru Superintendent of Police ka West Khasi Hills District BD Marak Commandant jong ka 4 MLP Battalion Sohpian uba ala ka dors iem ki he Pulit jong ka jala ki bahayeng asam jong kita ki Pulit ki bala Pyndep ki tegi Jingshah Hikai bat ki wei. Hakatay kasngi la samru ya ka khusnam sha ki Pulit ki batbet tam hakatay ki Jingshah Hikai bekenthop haka best drill ka best firing all rounder bat ki wei.
And 18 followers, a total of 211 trainees joined the battalion on 30th July 2023 and have undergone 11 months of basic training. In between, they were also exposed to law and order duties and election duties.
The platoon command. This is called G-Retol or slow march. Constable Fraser Armorak of South Kyrwoh District Executive Force. Ali Khublei is Recruit Constable, Stalwart Car of Hikai District Executive Force.
Of course, without all the hard work and the perseverance and the pushing, this would not have been a success. This would not have even happened. My dear family members of all the recruit constables who are here, personnel of the 4th Battalion and other personnel from Meghalaya Police who all form part of what Atiar calls the family of Meghalaya Police, and of course the dear recruit constables of the 8th BAT passing out today from the 4th Battalion APTC Sohpian. When I was making my way this morning to come to the battalion headquarters, the weather took me back 31 years, a little bit over 31 years, when I had my passing out parade. Now this is in Hyderabad, the place where you least expected any rain. There was a cyclone that morning, and we, my batch that is, was the one and only batch that has so far had to have the passing out parade in the auditorium. So the 8th batch here today in Sohpian, I have a special connect with you. It was raining a little bit harder than this when the decision was taken that we will go ahead and have the passing out parade in the auditorium. I was so glad when I reached the battalion headquarters and your commandant informed me that the boys have been spoken to and they all said we will go ahead come what may. It is actually a very fitting example of how we as you join the Meghalaya Police have to do our duty come what may. The call of duty is always there. The circumstances might not be the most pleasant. We would have loved if this had been a glorious sunny day. But the rain has also added to the fact that it has made that much more easier to stand and hear and listen to all that is happening around you. It is with also with great pleasure that I welcome you to join the Meghalaya Police as full-fledged members of the Meghalaya Police today. The Commandant in his report had mentioned that various inputs had been given to you, activities were planned out, and I'm glad to hear that you have not only participated in activities, but you have given back to the training center and battalion headquarters in what you have contributed in the way of water preservation and conserving water. Water, as we know, we might not feel it now because of all the rain that we've been having for the last few weeks. But water is a very precious commodity, and unless we learn to conserve, preserve, and use it judiciously, we will well be heading to a time when we will not be having that luxury. You, as new members of the Meghalaya Police, will be called upon to do a lot of things which might not have been part of your training curriculum. Be that as it may, rest assured that being a policeman or a member of any police force is something which you should take a great pride in. I am so glad that you took pride in the fact that you are passing out today, and you would continue to do your parade because you have practiced for it and you have done your very best. I congratulate not only the medal winners, but all the 193 and the 18 followers, all the 193 constables and the 18 followers who make up this batch of the passing out today. I also take this opportunity to congratulate the instructors of the APTC. Yes, the recognition has not yet come, but the very fact that you have passed out 8 batches makes it a very strong case, and I assure you and the Commandant that I will be pushing very hard to make sure that recognition for this training institute happens and happens very soon. We had just to inform the gathering here, we had this SPCO's conference over the last couple of days on Friday and Saturday at police headquarters, and there this matter had also been raised. The Chief Minister has given us the assurance, together with the Deputy Chief Minister, that they are very favorably inclined towards recognition for the APTC here in Sohpian. So I can very confidently assure you that recognition will be happening soon. As a message to all of our recruit constables and followers passing out today, remember that being a part of a force and donning the uniform is a calling. It is not just another job. It is a calling, and it is something that you have to be sure that you dedicate the life to. Yes, there will be things that we would not like to do, but we have to do. There are various instances when we would be going much beyond the call of duty. But as has been said, the various examples that have been set before you, not only in the years that have passed, but even here in the days, the 11 months that we spent here in the training center, we would have seen that when we are called upon to do something, we do it. And we do it to the best of our ability. I think the boys and everybody else has had enough of standing in the rain. So again, I take this opportunity to wish you the very best and welcome you into the Meghalaya Police. Thank you. Wish you would. Vitela. Jai Hind.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.